Hello and Assalamu alaikum viewers. This is your host Farhan Iqbal and you're watching News Point. So I am here with you to share the latest Express Entries draws forecast, that what is going to happen in the next draw. In the previous draw, as you know, that it was a federal skilled workers draw. So federal skilled workers draws have resumed. We will take a look at the data and see how many people are in each range. And then there are people who are saying that the next draw would be the continuation of the previous federal skilled workers draw, and yet there are some people who are saying that there's a possibility that there could be a PNP and CEC draw again. Maybe this federal skilled workers draw was a one-off. We will take a look at the data, and then we will share what we think what can happen. So when we are looking at the data, we will look at the data in both previews. If a federal skilled worker draw is to happen, then we will see what the cutoff can be for federal skilled worker draw, or if there is a PNP/CEC draw, then we will see what is the possibility of the score in that range. Once we have analyzed the data for both the scenarios, then at the end I will share what our team thinks or what my opinion is for the next draw, whether it would be a federal skilled workers draw, whether it would be a PNP/CEC draw, or what kind of draw it would be. If you still haven't subscribed our channel, consider subscribing our channel so that you never miss any update on any of the Express Entry draws. Whenever there is an Express Entry draw, we share the update with you. We share what was the CRS cutoff and how many people have been invited. And then every week we update our forecast for the next upcoming draws. Let's take a look at the data which was published when the latest Express Entry draw happened. So on the screen I am showing you data which was published just before the last draw. Whenever there is an Express Entry draw, you know that the data is published, and which shows us how many people are there in each category. So if we look at the 6th June data, then from 601 to 1200 there were 360 people. These are generally PNP people. Earlier we used to ignore these because the draws were happening separate for PNP and CEC, and our prediction was mainly for CEC. However, now this time I am going to consider the data, that what would happen or what would be the numbers in play if the next draw is also again a federal skilled workers draw. So from 501 to 600, right now there are 652 people. Previously there were 543 people. Another thing which I am showing you over here is that this, in the past 2 weeks, the increase was 109 people in this range. On 22nd June when the data was published, as compared to the previous 2 weeks, that is from 8th June to 22nd June, there was an actual decrease of 18 people. For 491 to 500, so 2 days before the draw when the data was published, there were 483 people in this category, that is from 491 to 500. At the end of June, when the draw happened, like on 22nd June, at that time there were 425 people, and it was an increase of only 14 people from the previous 2 weeks, that is from the beginning of June. For 481 to 490, on 6th July there were 1600 people, and at the end of June or 22nd June there were 1429 people. In the immediate past 2 weeks the increase is 171, and the 2 weeks before that the increase was 74. 471 to 480, where the majority of the people who were invited in the previous round on July 8th. At that time there were 4,561 people in this category. This was an increase of 546 from the 22nd June data, and when we look at the 22nd June numbers, that was 4015, which was an increase of 212 from the preceding 2 weeks. So let's take a look from 471 to 600 holistically. 2 days before the draw, there were 7,656 people in the range from 471 to 600. This is an increase of 928 people from 22nd June. If we go to 22nd June, there were 6,728 people, which was an increase of 310 people from the preceding 2 weeks. Now, since we know that out of these 7,656 people, 3,900 people were issued invitations. So how much is remaining? So as we know that 3,900 people have been issued ITAs out of these 7,656 people. So after the draw, 3,756 people are remaining in this range, that is from 471 to 600. Everybody who was above 480, obviously they have been excluded, they have been issued ITAs.
But from 470 to 480, obviously there are 3,756 people who have not received ITAs yet. Also, another thing to keep in mind is that roughly 1,000 people applied in the last 2 weeks, and if the trend is to continue, I would assume that more or less again 1,000 people will apply in these 2 weeks as well, maybe a little more, because in July IELTS has opened in many places around the world with reduced capacity. So I would say after this draw, and if we include about 1,200 people who will be applying in these 2 weeks, there would be about 5,000 people before the next draw, which we are predicting would happen on next Wednesday, that is on July 22nd. So on July 22nd, if it is going to be a federal skilled workers draw, I would say the cutoff would be around 474 to 475. I will share at the end of the video what is my opinion that whether it would be a federal skilled workers draw or if it would be a CEC-PNP draw again. So hypothetically, if it is going to be a CEC draw, then we are also going to look the number of people in other ranges. So if there's next draw is again PNP CEC only draw, then I believe the cutoff would be very close to 431, because the draw would be happening roughly after 1 month, and there would be a lot of people in CEC category who would have applied since then, and they would not only be from 431 to 440 like the previous time. Anybody who was like 440, 450, 460, anybody who was less than 478 would still be there in the pool from the last 2 weeks as well. So for that matter, the draw is happening after 1 month, so the cutoff would be close to 431 if it is going to be a CEC only draw.
So now, since we have looked at the data, I'll share what my forecast is for the next draw. I believe that the next draw would be a federal skilled workers draw. The reason being that although earlier I was expecting that unless the border restrictions are lifted, Canada will not start the federal skilled workers draws. However, since July 1st, Canada has resumed all kind of visa processing in all of their offices around the world. So that is why they have conducted the federal skilled workers draw. And I believe the situation in Canada is improving day by day. Just today, there has been an announcement that Ontario might be entering in stage 3 of its reopening. In stage 3 of its reopening, Ontario would be opening its theatres and even the amusement parks as well. So number of COVID cases in Canada has gone down considerably. So I believe that the federal skilled workers draw, which happened last week, it would continue, and in the upcoming weeks or in the upcoming months, we will see the federal skilled workers draw just as it was happening prior to the COVID. Marina, this is called Marina. Basically, these are people's private boats. They park it here and then they can use it whenever they want. This summer, I guess, most of them have been just sitting here. So in this area, a lot of people are doing boating. We'll try to get closer to you. People are going, practicing, I think. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Do let us know in the comment section what is your CRS and what is your expectation of the next draw, what kind of draw it would be. Until next time, this is your host Farhan Iqbal signing off. Assalamu alaikum.